Credit Karma Credit Score Tool Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Credit Karma Credit Score Tool. Links to this product are included in the description below, so be sure to check them out for more details. In this video, I'll cover its features, who it's best suited for, and how it stands out in the credit monitoring space. Credit Karma is a completely free tool designed to help you monitor your credit and make informed financial decisions. It provides access to your credit scores from both TransUnion and Equifax, updated weekly. This dual score system offers a broader view of your credit profile compared to tools that rely on a single bureau. Additionally, Credit Karma breaks down the factors impacting your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age, helping you identify actionable areas for improvement. One of the platform's most useful features is its credit monitoring alerts, which notify you of significant changes, such as new inquiries, account openings, or late payments. This keeps you on top of your credit health and helps you detect potential fraud quickly. The Credit Score Simulator is another standout, allowing you to see how actions like paying down debt or applying for a new card might impact your score. Credit Karma also excels at offering personalized recommendations. Based on your credit profile, it suggests credit cards, loans, and financial products you're most likely to qualify for, potentially saving you time and hard inquiries. It also provides insights into how these products could benefit your financial situation. This tool is ideal for individuals who want a no-cost, easy-to-use credit monitoring solution. Whether you're new to managing your credit or want a simple way to track changes, Credit Karma's interface makes credit management accessible and transparent. In conclusion, the Credit Karma Credit Score tool is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and maintain control over their credit health. With its free access to scores, detailed breakdowns, and personalized recommendations, it's a must-have tool for informed credit management. Check the links in the description to explore Credit Karma today.